this video, we are going to learn about constant gain in audio effect or in audio transition. So first go to constant gain, and here you can drag and drop this effect here. We'll delete these clips. It will be easier for you to understand. So constant gain, add this effect here. So you can see while playing, you can hear the audio gaining. So there is minor difference between constant power and constant gain. Constant gain is when you add that effect, it will gain constantly. Whatever the audio is there at the starting or wherever you want to click, it just gain directly from low to high. In constant power, the power slowly goes from low to high. So from low, it will gain power to the higher audio. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next one.